Okay, so this beautiful royal blue bag, look at that fab colour, is by Kate Spade. It's Newbury Lane Hyacinth, and it's absolutely just gorgeous, in excellent condition. It has got a long strap which is adjustable. Okay, it's currently on the longest setting. I am about 5'4". I'm a UK 8'10", so obviously you could have it shorter than I've got it here. It does come with some Kate Spade care docs, and also rather nicely it comes with the Kate Spade box, which makes it really nice as a gift. Condition, it's in excellent condition. Let's come to the actual features of the bag first. So it's got Kate Spade New York on the front, and this little, there's something very satisfying about that click, I find anyway. So it opens through there, and with this lovely flap, you've got the space of the bag, and then you've got one flat pocket with the lovely Kate Spade lining. It's got Kate Spade there. Okay, tuck that back in. As I said, excellent condition. So inside it is excellent. The outside is in excellent condition. I'll show you the back. And the bottom corners, I mean, pristine. No sign of wear whatsoever. And the hardware as well is in perfect, excellent, I just love that click. It really is in excellent condition. There is a link to this on our website. If you go to the comments below, it will take you to this on the product page. When you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter, because we'll send you a discount code for 10% off. You've also a link in the comments below so that you can follow us on Instagram. And if you like our bag videos, then please give us the thumbs up.